show up. Girl, I will cut him. Girl, yes I will, girl. Yes I will. You remember what happened last time when he had said he didn't hang out with Tracy and I had found out he did? Girl, I cut him. Girl, yes I did, girl. Yes I did. You see me in the middle of a conversation? Don't interrupt. Rude. Girl, I'm gonna have to call you back. Welcome to King Burger. Well, we can do it your way, but don't get crazy.
Right. Can I get a number 5 with a cookies and cream milkshake?
You sure you just don't want a Coke?
Pardon?
I gotta get the ice cream, get some cookies all up in it. They got me pushing all these crazy buttons up in here. You can just have a Coke. I need a number 3 with the large Coke. Next.
I would like a number 3 with no cheese, no tomato, and no lettuce.
Dang, anything else? I got a complicated order. I need a number 3 with no cheese, no... You see me put in my order? Don't interrupt. Rude. And no lettuce. That's it. What?
I changed my mind about the cheese.
Oh, now you want some cheese? Now you want some cheese. You see me put in an order. Why didn't you say nothing in the first place?
I tried to.
Oh, do not get loud with me. Do not get loud with me. No, security. Security, she needs to go. Get him out. Oh, shoot. Hey, Miss Williams. How are you?
I've had better days, Bon Quigley. How many times do I have to tell you, you cannot call security just because someone has a complicated order?
Oh, is that what you had said?
Yes, that's what I had said.
Okay, Miss Williams. You're right. My bad.
Hi, can I have number 5 with the boneless, skinless chicken and highly seasoned?
No, security. Security, take her. Get her away. She was trying to fight me. Girl, I didn't fight you.
She's a Nora out of the hood program.
Oh, shoot. Headed to Walmart. Are you talking?
Yeah, no house arrest no more. Give me number 3. Instead of fries, hit me with them underrated.
On the mic is the queen. Now listen to me sing. He wants a number 3 superstars on your ring. He can come out the house with no ankle bracelet on, but he's got 2 strikes, so don't get his order wrong. You know I'm looking cute, and there's nothing you can say.